Okay people, another late night at Auto Elite HQ, so a quick demo on this bad boy of alarm systems. It's the StarLine S96. Now anything that happens on the alarm will be transmitted to the customer's phone, so if someone tampers with the vehicle, it will not only set off the warning zone, the customer will get a notification, and they'll also get a notification and a phone call if the alarm is triggered. Now I'm going to get into the vehicle. I've got the original remote controls for the vehicle. That's why it's letting me in with the keyless entry, but the vehicle simply will not start. So if I try to start the vehicle right now, it won't. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter the unique PIN code. I'm going to change this after anyway. Give it a few seconds and the vehicle will now start. You'll hear it start. You also get tag keys with this as well, so you don't have to enter a PIN sequence into the dashboard. It's, like I say, it's fully connected to the customer's phone. It's tracking. It'll give you a phone call if the alarm is triggered.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Shock sensor activated.
It's got so many features, anti-hijack on there as well, and can blocking as well, so there's no way the vehicle can be taken.